Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate text in FreeCAD. So first we need to change mode from part design to draft, and then we need to add here a simple shape from the text. So I click on it, and then I click somewhere here to add the text. Now I need to change the text that I want to insert. So for example, I insert here simple, and I need to change the font. For example, I click on this one icon with 3 dots, and I'm going to select here maybe Calibri, so I click on it and I click open button. Now I need to click OK to insert the text. How you see it has been successfully inserted here. So now if you want to rotate it, you need to click on this one option. It will let you to rotate the selected object or the text, so I click on it. Now I click somewhere here and I click somewhere here. Then the line will be successfully created here and we will be able to rotate our text. So for example, I will set rotation maybe to this one. So I need to click somewhere here, and how you see text has been successfully rotated. So in this way you can easily rotate text in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.